Welcome to Home of Math, Algebraic expression. This video we are going to solve a two-factorial addition. Number 30. Here is 14x plus z whole square minus 29x plus z times x plus 1 minus 15x plus 1 whole square. Look, here is x plus z, x plus z. Similar, here is x plus 1 and here is x plus 1. So let x plus z we can consider as a m, and x plus 1 we can take this one n. So we can write this algebraic expression like 14m square minus 29m n and minus 15n square, right? So we try to solve this expression by middle term factor. So here is 14 and here is 15. Once we multiply, it will become 210. So in middle, here is 29. Interesting thing, 14 plus 15 will be 29, but here is minus sign and here is minus sign. If we use minus 14 and minus 15, the result will not come properly. Therefore, we have to find out another thing. Suppose here is a 210, we can divide by 2, so here is 105, we can divide by 3, so here is a 3 and 1 5, so 5. Now look, this is 35 and this is 2 times 3 is 6. 35 minus 6, it will be 29. So we can write like this: 14m square minus 35mn plus 6mn minus 15. I think it will be a right sentence. So here is 14 and here is 35, so common thing is a 7. Here is m square and here is also m, so we can take m. So 2m minus 5n plus, here is 6 and here is 15, so we can take 3. Here is n and here is n square, we can take n. So 2m minus 5n. Okay, so both side 2m minus 5n, 2m minus 5n we can take common, 2m 5n. So here is 7m plus 3n, right? Now we can exchange original format. It means m equals to x plus z. We can write this one. 2m means x plus z minus 5n means x plus 1. Okay, similar here, 7x plus z plus 3 n means x plus 1, right? So this is 2x plus 2z minus 5x minus 5, and this side here is 7x plus 7z plus 3x plus 3. Okay, now here is 2x minus 5x, so it will be minus 3x. So this one we can write in front, 2z minus 3x minus 5, and here is 7x plus 3x, it will be 10x, then 7z plus 3, and this is our answer. Okay, so number 30 of this chapter 3.3, we are almost in ending part. So last math, which is 31, we are trying to solve now. 31, show that x plus 1 times x plus 2 times 3x minus 1 times 3x minus 4 equals to 3x square plus 2x minus 1 times 3x square plus 2x minus 8. So left hand side, here is x plus 1 times x plus 2 times 3x minus 1 times 3x minus 4. So I think it's not so hard, because here is a 3x square and here is also a 3x square. So what can we do? look, here is x plus 1 and here is 3x minus 1. So we can consider this one, and also here is a 3x and here is also x. So let's see what will happen. X plus 1 and we will come, this one is from 3x minus 1, then x plus 2 and 3x minus 4, right? Now we can multiply each other. So first this one, so 3x square minus x, then plus 3x minus 1, and this one is 3x square minus 4x, then plus 6x, and then minus 8. Now look, very interesting thing, 3x square minus x plus 3x, it will become 2x minus 1, and here is 3x square minus 4x plus 6x, it will be plus 2x and minus 8. And look, this is our right side. So it's proved. Okay, so thank you very much being with me. I am trying to solve 3.3 all math, which is based on factorization. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, because by this part you are getting lots of things for your examination. Thank you.